I was blown away.
Hi, my name is Jordan Grant. I'm a project manager and insurance claims specialist for Elite Exteriors. We had the pleasure of installing the roof you see behind me here, along with the gutter system. We worked with the homeowner's insurance provider in order to cover the full cost of his replacement. Inspections and estimates are always going to be free. When it comes time for your next residential or commercial project, call 470-350-3024 and make it an Elite roof.
I'd had a hailstorm, and I had no idea that the hail had caused that damage until Elite had gotten up and done a survey. Yeah, roof's been fantastic since it's been put on, right? No leaking, no issues, none whatsoever. Aesthetically, it is gorgeous. The curb appeal of my house went up dramatically by putting this roof on. So I think that working with the team at Elite in selecting exactly which roof product I needed to put on went a long way. I mean, the color's different than what I had on before, and I think it makes the whole house look great now. Absolutely. This whole process has been probably the easiest interaction I've had with contractors on my house in the last 5 years.
You know, we went and replaced the entire front elevation here, all gutters and downspouts. You know, how did that whole process go for you, and what was that like?
Oh man, well, you're right. It looked like somebody just hit it with a ball peen hammer, like all the way across the top. And it was strange because it was from the inside out almost with the angle. So I didn't even know that the gutters needed to be replaced until we started to take a look at it. But when you guys showed me that, when we started to go into it, and especially when I started considering long-term impacts of what these gutters would be, it was a no-brainer to get that fixed. And I gotta tell you guys, and this is your team that came out and did these gutters, I watched them for about 10 minutes just to see what they were doing. I have never seen something happen so quickly. And the way that those guys did it, they came in, they got it knocked out, and they were in and out of here very quickly. I expected them to be here for 2 or 3 days accomplishing this, and they were in and out in an afternoon. It blew my mind. So yeah, super thrilled with how they came out too. Aesthetically, it's gorgeous compared to what I had before.